Sunday.
Saddle. That's you're smart.
Not a whole lot was accomplished today. Did I do anything extraordinary? No. I wasn't feeling well. I was lying in bed again, and I'm trying to get some jobs applied for online and get information going, catch up on YouTube, etc., etc., but I just wasn't feeling well. Hot and cold again, lying in bed, feeling crappy, and slept most of the morning. So hopefully the week will improve. Upward and onward.